All right, Mr. Kendall, here's your high drive 2-pill. I still need to put a label on it and label the ins and outs of it, but just want to show you her working. Input reflect is almost virtually nothing. This is the flow through right here. Do, ta, 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 ta. Hardly nothing. With the box on. Do, just barely a movement. Do, and that's good on a straight 2-pill. No variable or nothing. No resistor in the front. 500 watt slug. PEP. Do. A little bit over 300. That's just hitting it with a small radio. 3-watt radio, about 14 peak. Do, right there, 100 bird. So that is doing good for a regular 2-pill high drive. Hit it with a little bit more power, a little bit more drive. She'll be up around 400, 450, maybe even 5 if you hit it hard enough. But I'd just run it around that 400 mark if I was you. And of course, a little bit more drive, you'll have it right about 200 bird, which I could hook up one of my other radios. But I need to get a coax hooked on that radio and get me a little switching system. But anyway, this is her. Sorry it took so long. Got you an LED fan on there. Go ahead and show. Well, look at that. That come unsoldered. Glad I looked at that. Or I forgot to solder it back. So anyway, absolute beautiful. Beautiful build. Straight, simple, straight to the point, Class C 2-pill. Even got a shot of clear in here. Here's a remote. If you ever want to add one, I'll just keep it. It's a miniature Mr. 3 made. Got these bad boys right here. Mr. Early Adams out there around the North Carolina area. Yeah, I like the way it relay right here is mounted on the back. I like that little setup. So you can fit everything in there with an 1.5-inch output transformer. Alright, man, I hope this thing lasts you for years to come. And thanks for hanging in there with me, brother. We'll get this thing shot out to you. 73.